Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today the question is how I feel being a human. How I feel it. To know how I feel being a human, like there is not a single emotion. This isn't being a single. There's a lots of emotion in this feeling a human as a human. According to philosophy, the first feeling that comes in mind is awareness. Awareness, knowing who I am and what I do, knowing that I exist. For a philosopher like Rene Descartes wrote, I think, therefore I am. He said, like, therefore वो है. ठीक है? Humans watch themselves living a life. An animal live. जानवर जीता है पता है? And human watch themselves live. इंसान खुद को देखता है जीते हुए. ठीक है? और इंसान ये भी देखता है कि कितना हाउ क्रूल अ ह्यूमन कैन बी बीइंग एज अ ह्यूमन. The second thing I witness, feel as a human being is vulnerability, being fragile and finite. Fragile, the weakness. Ancient philosophers like Aristotle wrote, emotion, social beings. He thinks that humans are capable of love, shame, people, hope, grief. To be human is to be feel like care deeply, get attached, fear loss, know that everything ends. You know you love someone you can lose it. You know it's going to leave. You know the result or you know always the what is going at the end, what is going to happen at that point after some time, but you still love. Like it's not even a person. Like I'm not talking about I'm not talking about a relationship like a human girl and boy relation. I'm not talking. It's like love is endlessly. It's for anyone, like god, animals, a lot of things you can love. Even you know like at the end it's going to leave you, but you still love. This is being fragile. You know the all the outcomes you know already, क्या होने वाला है आपको खुद ही पता है, but at the end you choose to love someone. This is I feel as a human being. Absurdity, asking why, like questioning myself. I live, why I live, why I have the will to live, why I'm doing this, why I need someone alive, why everyone lives, why even I exist or not. Lots of questions in mind. The thing which makes me is my choice. The thing which makes me is my choice. Like if I choose something good or bad, it defines me. If I choose bad, then I am going to bad. If I choose right, then I am going to be a right. हम जो चाहते हैं वही हमें डिफाइन करता है. जिसे भी हम चुनते हैं वही हमें डिफाइन करता है. हमारी मेंटालिटी को डिफाइन करता है कि हम कैसे हैं. हमारी मेंटालिटी उसी से सिर्फ डिफाइन होती है. मीनवाइल you know the cigar wala philosopher, you know it's Albert Campus, one of my favorite philosopher. He thinks life is absurd, illogical. The other thing define how I feel being is my suffering and compassion. Suffering, I have suffered from a small age, but my family doesn't let me that much suffer. Okay? They all took my suffer. And compassion, I don't have any compassion or passion. Pain isn't just something to escape, it awakens you. Suffering doesn't is a bad thing. Suffering is, I think, it's a beauty of the life. Without suffering, there is nothing as beautiful. You don't even realize how much suffering is I just can't express the at this point of after realizing 10 years after 10 years I realized what suffering really is. suffering क्या है मतलब कोई गलत चीज़ मतलब आप सब कोई परेशानी क्या है सबसे महत्वपूर्ण सबसे ज़्यादा खुश है द ब्यूटी ऑफ इन लाइफ इज सफरिंग टू बी सफ़र इज एवरीथिंग टू बी सफ़र इससे ज़्यादा यू कैन नॉट be happy in life without suffering. At some point, you want to suffer. You want to be suffer. If you're not realized it yet, in maybe after some time you realized it. I feel human when I doubt myself. I feel human when I grow after breaking. I feel human when I search even with answer. I have the answer, but I'm still searching. I feel human when I doubt myself. I feel human when I feel guilty. I feel human when I get sad. I feel human when I am happy. Being human is. I can't express this feeling. I think the life is only one and we should live once. We are living it. Just live it. Conclusion. Life is not absurd. It's not illogical. Life can be sometimes cruel, but sometimes it is beautiful. The time when it gets beautiful when you spend it with the people you are living with. You are with the people whom you know, whom you can do anything. They are not going to judge you. That's the life. I'm someone who like if you are with someone who understands you and you think you're not being that cringe to that person, you feel oh, life is a beautiful. You feel life is worthy of living. I feel I deserve love. If not in this life, maybe after life, life is beautiful. Bye.